think it's been a really great experience. I think it's really fantastic to be able to bring this showcase to a wider audience. I think every portion of that audience has a completely different perspective. They have different opportunities in their own production environments. They have different challenges that need different solutions. And I think collectively as a team of partners, we've collaborated to showcase how customization and personalization can be delivered at mass, whether it's a SKU of 1 or a SKU of 20,000, and to do it as sustainably as possible using environmentally friendly manufacturing techniques, most definitely. I think that each tour has been completely different. I think the knowledge base of each tour has been different. People ask different questions, but it is a friendly group. We're a friendly team, and people do stop and ask questions. So I think we've learned from our audience, but we've also managed to deliver expertise to our audience. I think the fireside chats have been great. They have been good. It's very difficult to get 4 or 5 people into the room with, collectively 100 years experience that have watched this market develop, that are new to this market, like yourselves, comparatively, adding the technology that it needs in order to scale, in order to accelerate and to bring the whole 360 experience on demand. I think so. Yeah, a few things to change. We learn, some great feedback from all of our partners, all of our visitors. And in a year's time, where will technology be? That's going to be a new experience again, and I look forward to talking about it and experiencing it myself. It's a joy.